I'm trying to be really, really good, so Santa will bring me lots of presents.
Well, Spud, it might be better to wait for him back at the farm.
And Banger had to work all night to finish the stage.
Oh, not too bad, Wendy. Once we fixed the power cut, and Banger had to work all night to finish the stage. Once we fixed the power cut, and Banger had to work all night to finish the stage.
Bob, is that you?
It seems to know you, Bob.
Of course I know, and silly, it's me, Dizzy.
Dizzy?
Bob, is that you?
It seems to know you, Bob.
Of course I know, and silly, it's me, Dizzy.
Dizzy?
What happened?
You forgot your cell phone. I was bringing it to you, only I took a shortcut and got stuck.
Oh, hi, girls. Please tell Margot, Edith, and Agnes to come to the lobby. I bet the mom is beautiful.
I bet the daddy's eyes sparkle. I bet their house is made of gummy bears. I'm just saying it being nice. Aw, my caterpillar never turned into a butterfly. That's a cheeto. Oh.
Starfire! She's an intergalactic beauty, but whatever you do, never ever look her in the eye! Or mess up her hair. Starfire! She's an intergalactic beauty. Or mess up her hair.
If I see that weasel again. Oh, you want me to let you in? I suppose I could, if you agree to do the laundry like you're supposed to.
Bad Silkie.
Nice to meet you, Princess Silkie Soft. Your hair sure is. Bad Silkie. Bad Silkie. We have another alert.
A creature made of fruit juice and barbecue sauce is terrorizing the city.
How did everybody sleep? We didn't, thanks to you.
You were doing the sleep fighting again last night, Robin. You were doing the sleep fighting again last night, Robin.
Then you get Total Meatball! You about to find out?
Keep it down. I'm trying to read.
Don't say anything.
I'm not talking because that stupid meatball cracked my tooth.
Whoa, guys. If they seal that tooth, Beast Boy will be stuck in there forever.
My mouth tastes like meatballs.
Meatball party!
Sorry, Raven. I just can't help myself.